Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this case, it makes mapping out a very, very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree today was a very solid move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right up here at 75 cents. Why is 75 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree in the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, the price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 75 cents. Any sort of closes below it or worse set up, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this area where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend. Pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a very drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well then from the big picture of things, hey, the bulls are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress. And in this case, I'm just defining quote-unquote progress and quantifying it as 75 cents. So let's just see if the price can make progress. That's really the easiest way to look at it. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's scrunch up the chart here. And right now, let's see. All right, right there at about $1.10. So let me get this in a place, and then maybe some of you already noticed, but there's a whole bunch of price congestion right around this $1.10 mark. If you go back to, the recent history, you can see right there, acted as resistance, and then today, once again, acting as resistance. So it makes sense why the price is struggling around $1.10. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's impossible for the price to break above it. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling. And according to the story of the chart here, apparently the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to fight through it. But all in all, no doubt about it, any way you slice it, very bullish day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.